Alright, y'all, man. To this day, oh well, first off, wait, let me force the camera towards me so I can talk to y'all. Look, man, so in this video, I'm gonna probably show this part first. But there's a second part, but it already happened type shit. I'm not gonna get into it. Y'all just keep watching this video and y'all gonna find out what happened. Or later, well, later in the week, but like, it's new to y'all type shit, if you understand what I'm saying. But yo, in this video, we trying to install the 390 differential. Hopefully today. I'm on somebody else timing. I want to do the work myself, you know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to do the work myself. I just need a shop to use so I can you know, pick the car up in the air and be able to, like, you know, be under there a lot easier, like get it done a lot faster type shit, if you know what I mean. So I'm on my way to the dealership right now to go get the seals for the axles. I mean, not for the axles, for the the differential. It's like the little rubber seal that go behind it. I just want, it probably don't need to be replaced really, but I'm replacing it because I mean I'm swapping it. So I was like, fuck it. And it wasn't my car. I didn't own the car that this shit coming off of. So I'm like, I'm gonna just replace it, just to be on the safe side, because I don't want my shit leaking or nothing like that. So yeah, we on our way to the dealership right now. Well, we gotta go to the gas station, y'all. This motherfucker at like 60 miles to E, and low-key that mean like 30 with the tune type shit. Like the mileage don't be meaning the same shit no more. Like if that shit say 60, if that shit say 80, your ass need to go fill that bitch up. No cap. That's basically what that shit be saying. God damn, Rochester and these fucking potholes, bro. About to flip my shit out here. And bro, these niggas be like riding bumpers out here too, bro. This shit be outrageous. Like, god damn, I low-key might need that flame tool underground. Might need that motherfucker. I ain't trying to cut the cats, but I might have to, because these niggas be mad fucking close, bro. Trying to set somebody's shit on fire. This nigga all, bro, I don't even know if y'all could see. He mad close. Look, then he speed off. Slow ass Buick. He trying to act bad in that motherfucker. But yeah, y'all, we is cruising right now, cause yeah, it's not that type of date right now. I'm by myself, and chances of me getting pulled over is a lot higher. You know what I'm saying? I'm riding this shit, definitely an eye catcher. I ain't gonna lie, hold up. Might have to say fuck that. I ain't waiting at that light. But yeah, this bitch an eye catcher. I'm by myself. And yeah, ain't no other loud shit around. So, nigga, I am not trying to get no ticket, bro. Like, let me adjust this camera real quick. Hold up. I'll look a little better, right? I think it's straight, yeah. But yeah, I am not trying to get no ticket, y'all. I haven't driven this bitch in a little minute, though. This shit ride good, though. The brakes and shit feel weird, though. Like, I think it's because it's colder outside. Like, it was just hot and now it's cold again. I don't know why this shit keep happening. It be hot and then it get cold, then it be hot, then it get cold, then it get like, bro, this shit ass backwards, bro. But yeah, I wasn't going back to Chrysler out until the salt came off the road again. But nah, fuck that. I got to go. I want to keep making videos and shit, because I see y'all been liking that shit or whatever. But I'm like, fuck it. I couldn't just go power wash. I was being lazy low-key, because I be power washing underneath the car. But I ain't feel like doing that shit again. But I'll do it again. Fuck it. This shit, bro, these lights long as a bitch. But yeah, y'all, I'm not about to bore y'all with this weak ass POV drive, cause yeah, y'all, I might not be able to record the whole shit at the shop though. That's another thing. That's why I'm gonna add this second part into the video, cause I know for a fact I'm not gonna be able to record the whole thing, cause this nigga type a asshole a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna probably record little bits and pieces. I'm gonna show y'all, like, basically the base. I'm gonna explain the diff to y'all. Y'all know what I mean? Like, for the folk who want to do this shit, because I know it's a lot of people who want to do this shit, bro. And a lot of people been telling me, yeah, it ain't gonna fit or whatever, like, but like I seen it done on the Challenger, so I'm like, bro, the difference is it's not really much of a difference. If it can fit on that little ass car, it's gonna fit on this big ass car. You feel me? So we gonna put this bitch up on there and bolt everything on, everything line up. You know what I'm saying? I even measured how much of the axle it is and what the fuck, nigga, blowing on her. I measured the axles and shit. Everything looked good. Everything looked like it's gonna go on there, but you never know until, you know what I'm saying, you get the bolt and shit. So I'ma definitely update y'all. I'm gonna keep updating y'all on, you know, what's going on type shit throughout this little day. And yeah, I'm gonna get back at y'all. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see me in the shop, it's loud as a bitch in here. But nigga getting ready to lift the car. Y'all see this dude. This shit looking crazy. 390 over there. And we went to go pick up them axle seals like I was talking about before. These shits right here. So yeah, y'all, we about to start lifting that shit and throwing the LSD in there. I'll tune back in, y'all, in a minute. But y'all. Yo, wait, I might have to take this off too. Alright, y'all. Come in with the light. Come in with the light. Come over here. I'm gonna explain y'all something, right? Because a lot of motherfuckers doing this shit ain't explaining this shit, god damn it. Gotta take off. Alright, wait, first. Look at the bottom real quick. So look, boom, it's a bolt that go right here for this little piece right here. You gotta take that off. You gotta take off the lower, the sway bar link. And then so far, oh, and then this it's another bolt that go right here. For the lower, like, leaf spring or control arm, whatever you want to fucking call it. Then I'm working up top now. I'm taking off this upper, and then I'm gonna be taking off this right here. All right, that way the hub can like move. Okay, y'all feel me? Y'all feel me? We gonna get back at y'all in a couple minutes. God damn it. What?
Nothing.
My camera girl laughing, y'all. This shit ain't funny. Come back here and show them what I'm doing. I'm taking the damn dry shaft bolts off, as y'all can see. Goddamn, we got take the dry shaft bolts off. I ain't disassembled that one. I want to see can I lower the disc down and just pull the axle out. You know what I'm saying? And I could put the axle in on. I could put the what is that? The driver's side axle. I could put that bitch on and then put it in type shit when it bites, like when I'm trying to put shit back in, and then I could put the diff in like that type shit. So, but yeah, other than that, y'all, we gonna get back. Or you wanna do it? All right, you started it. Yeah. All right, yo, we got Draymond just put up. Trying to master mechanic and fix that shit for me. You know what I'm saying? The diff fell out the car. You knocked Craig transmission off. And somehow we don't know how that happened.
See what happened was. What happened was. Last time I checked, it said show me something. If y'all check the last vid, it show me something.
And boom.
Wait, it go this way, right?
Yeah.
Now we doing the differential.
Now we doing the diff. Drake man in here. Tearing that bitch up. Go ahead, tear it up, Drake.
Some leverage on that motherfucker.
Yeah.
We're moving though.
Only if a nigga could get this goddamn wide. I got 2 wide pipes on this car, bruh.
You got the one in the front?
Got the one in the front and I got the one right here.
Why don't you drop this one? Why don't you drop right here off that hook? At least.
But I mean, I would have to drop these. I would have to drop this, and I'll have to drop the one over there.
Oh, yo, so freaking
But then, how the fuck with the car? That shit gonna be dangling. Like I feel like that might not even work.
So I told y'all that Goodyear they got the late night shit going on for Amazon, right?
hell yeah.
Late night, like what you mean?
Like they got like that shit gonna be like late
Hold on,
night,
y'all.
like
All it took was a couple zip ties.
God damn, bro, this one the longest one.
On the Dre side.
that shit about to come out, bro. God damn.
It is.
Oh, pull it, yep. Well, be careful though this time. Yeah, wait.
Hurry the hell up. I'm just a twig, remember that.
We gonna get it.
I think it's out.
It's out.
It's out. Pull it, Frank. Wait, don't pull it too. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright, now we gotta snipe these axles out.
Alright, y'all. So the video is resumed. The car obviously back on the goddamn ground. As y'all can see, this is the stock 262 open differential right here. And then underneath the car, y'all can see there we got the 390 LSD differential in there. And yeah, y'all. This shit big as hell. Big as hell, y'all. I had to adjust the exhaust a little, just a slight little bit. But nothing too crazy. Finna gotta get a new exhaust put on anyway. But yeah, y'all. The 300 is back. Got this shit parked outside. We finna do a quick little detail on this shit or whatever. Go get this shit bright. It's all muddy because the shop was muddy. But yeah, y'all. I'ma probably close this video off like this. And y'all stay tuned for the next video where we gonna be like talking about it. We're gonna do a driving vlog. I'm probably not gonna show my face as much. Well, I'll show my face and shit, but I'm gonna just let y'all know like how this bitch drive and shit. Cause I'm gonna just tell y'all right now. Y'all still stay tuned for the next video, but I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it should drive good. Like it's valid, bruh. But yeah, we gonna get more into shit to do and shit not to do. And I'm gonna actually like get under the car and try to show y'all how this shit went, because I know this video probably a little choppy, you know what I'm saying. I'll tell y'all more about it in the other video, but yeah, this shit crazy, y'all. This shit crazy, man. But yeah, y'all.